want to see? Can you see mine? I don't know how to make the correct pair. You all will help me now? Yeah! Good job! You did it! और एक कहाँ है? एक मिला और एक. I will teach you some joke and you do you help your mama? Then I will teach you how to fold clothes. You can show me your t-shirt. Show me how it is. Wow, very nice. And you keep it down. I will look to everybody. I will tell you what to do with the book. Later is not going to start out. Okay? Take the book and keep it at the top. Yes, yes. Keep it here. Okay, done everybody. Keep it near neck. Keep it near neck. Hold one side like this. Hold like this. Good job. Hold like this. Good job, ma'am. Can you hold? Hold it like this. Hold it with that. Yes. All are done. Now you have to take the book and then out. Yay! Yes. If you want to make it even more smaller, you can hold one. We can. Understood. Yes. Very nice. Good job. Yes. Good. You need that. What is that? Now spread it. We'll spread. Come on, guys. We will keep on one side. Okay. You can see at the center there is a line. Can you see a center line? Yes. Then a well deep is there. So keep the book like this. Keep it. Yes. Another part. You just. No. How much are you doing? Okay, fine. Then. Now take the book out. Yeah. Very good. Nice.
Very good.
Now this one. Nice. Now take the book out. Take the book out. Take it out. Ta-da! Sit for the side. Make a roll. Ball also or roll? I made a roll. What do you want to make roll? Ball. Okay. Ball and ball. One ball. Okay. And another box is there, na? So we will put the ball inside the other box. Now put it on. Roll. Now take this off. No. This one you have to open. Open. And put it inside. Good job. Put it inside. Yeah. Now is this one not required? Yeah. Green one. Green. Nice. Thank you.